Hello, my name is Sandy. I am studying in the University Tech Milenio. I am studying marketing. Um, I am a speak of evaluation of education in Mexico. As well, I have a question. Sometimes have you thought in if Mexico has ground inside education? Okay. Mm, There has been a small increase in the level of education for students between 6 and 50 years. The the results indicate that in Mexico, about 55% of 50-year-old students are underperforming in any of the subjects such as mathematics, science, and reading, a figure that does not include 30% of the young people who are outside the education systems. Well, as you can see in the graph of the left, and the total number of students is 1,712,080, and on the right side east, you can find the number of 941,000 and 640 for young people studying. Is the P chart? We can find the main risk factors that have caused low performance in our country. The color orange represents 42% of 100. This because the students are grow according to their abilities. It's the red part symbolizes 32% for the lack of extracurricular activities, which help the students to develop their skills and to continue learning. The color blue represents 90% be the absence of teachers to their classes, which generates greater disinterest in the students. Mexico remains in first place in terms of the numbers of students graduate in primary, secondary, and high school, as can be interpreted in the graph. In the year 2014, 100% and 100% named one gradation. In the year 2050, increased this percentage with 95% graduates is it. And finally, in the year 2016, only increased 1% is due to the risk of factors mentioned above. For the same situations as students and people, we should be the example of the children who are now studying, well, they are the future of our country. Let's have young people use their skills to achieve success. And finally, of the phrase, la educación no es la preparación para la vida, la educación es la vida en sí misma. for John Dewey. Thank you. Goodbye.